Three simple headings for me really is living plants, replica plants and preserved. And what we get asked a lot is what is the difference between preserved and living? There's a preserved example behind us here, and it is fast-growing plants like eucalyptus, English ivy. There's about 10 different eucalyptus, some really nice autumnal reds and oranges and that sort of thing. And they are preserved by the mother plant, as they call it, grows quite fast, spring, summer, and they harvest or prune branches off it and then take them, bunch them up, put them into a planter or a bucket of a solution, which is totally natural, that's absorbed with food dye again, a bit like the moss walls. It's absorbed up inside the branch or and into the foliage. So if you literally look, if we pulled a bit of that foliage out, had a look at the bottom where it's cut, you'd see green or red or whatever it is all the way up through the cell structure. So it's super simple. It's dried out and then that's applied. We find longevity of that probably 4 to 5 years at least. So it's a good product, very resilient. I guess it's about 10% more costly than artificial. It needs feather dusting, that's it, no misting. And it's a sustainable harvesting situation and totally natural material. So it's a big tick. So that is becoming it's overtaking sales for artificial. And obviously living, we all know it needs care, needs maintenance. That's why we have teams all around the country to give the client that backup service. So we're in there every 3 weeks, watering, feeding, cleaning, pruning, replacing.